Lauren Baxter, and this is the website I created for Embrace Beauty by using Adobe XD. The reason why I chose to use Adobe XD to create this website is because I wanted to implement a purchasing strategy and actually show you how a consumer would come on the website and buy a product. And unfortunately, website builders like Wix and WordPress on Google wanted to charge me a fee for placing a card payment method. So to show a real and true example of exactly how I want the website to look and navigate, I use Adobe XD. This is a prototype that I created to show the navigation and the content that will be placed on Embrace Beauty's website. So straight away we are on the home page of Embrace Beauty. So this is where a consumer would land straight away. It has our logo that I created and our icon, and it is straight away promoting the 15% off of VIP members. So just briefly talking about the navigation, here you can click shop, that'll take you straight to the products, about, VIP member, pop up and contact us. You can also view your account, you can view the bagging area and you can also view your account. So going back through these navigations, you can end up on the home page by clicking Embrace Beauty or even the symbol. So straight away, the photography that I did for the campaign is shown, showing how Embrace Beauty represents diverse skin and how it doesn't digitally manipulate models' skin to show an unrealistic result that products create. Also using language such as the new generation of skin, embracing diverse skin types, just to really push the brand message. So you can click here straight away to shop the new summer collection, or you can simply scroll down and look more on the home page. So this again is the prototype that I created using Blender and Photoshop, as obviously these products aren't real, so I couldn't photograph how I would obviously photograph real products, so I wanted to make it as realistic as possible instead of photographing different brand products and editing over it. So I use Blender to create 3D models of the products that I wanted, and then I use Photoshop to place the design of the products over it. And then I've used this big picture of all the products together for the website. I've also created a box on Blender to kind of emphasise the products and just make the picture a bit more engaging for consumers. So then you would come across these pictures, which is just promoting the campaign that we did, the campaign photography for the summer collection. Obviously happy, smiley models, kind of creating a really positive environment on the website. And then straight away we're kind of advertising the product. So the Summer Glow is a sunscreen, so you can actually click here straight away and it'll take you to this page, obviously advertising the product, and you can add it to your bag. So if we go back onto the home page, then unfiltered skin, so our hashtag, and we're talking about the TikTok challenge to again encourage consumers to get involved in the challenge, which is also shown on the mobile app. So you can click here about us to learn more. And then obviously again, a bit like the mobile app, promoting our best sellers, the Essential Moisturiser, and also using customer reviews to show how we've responded to the demand of Gen Z consumers valuing and appreciating customer reviews. So you can again click here and it'll take you straight to that page. And then right at the bottom of the page is why Embrace Beauty. So this is kind of showing how we're cruelty free, vegan, gluten free, we use recyclable materials, and we don't use any harmful ingredients in our products. And here we are advertising how if you download the mobile app, you can get a 7-day free trial for the membership. And then obviously you can click here and it'll take you to the membership. And then again, these are all the same navigation, so you can see the mouse changes when I go over it, which will take a consumer directly to the page that they want. So when you click on the shop page, again, it'll take you to this, what advertises the summer collection. And then here are the products from the summer collection. And again, this is actually on every single page, this Why Embrace Beauty, just to really show the consumer that we are a sustainable brand. So if you want to buy the brightening serum, you can click on here and it'll take you straight to this page. So a bit more about the page. So obviously it tells you the normal price and the VIP member price. You can add it to your bag. It tells you about the products that the ingredients that we've used, which shows really good brand transparency, and then key features that like really benefit your skin. Again, showing customer reviews. Obviously, I didn't want to give the brand 5 stars each because I wanted it to be a bit more realistic, and also not negative feedback, but for example, this customer is saying it's not the best for oily skin, so maybe we could consider making a serum that's not oil based and stuff. So yeah, it's really good to have customer feedback on it, and obviously Gen Z consumers really value this and it influences their purchasing decisions, so it was really important that I added this onto the website. The essential moisturizer, you can click here and it takes you to that page, and again obviously telling you what's inside the product, the benefits of it, the membership price, and reviews on the product. Shop, we can click on the sunscreen, that takes you to this page, and again customer reviews, making it really realistic, the whole shopping environment. So then about, so this is our mission statement and just talks about the goals of Embrace Beauty. It talks about the unfiltered skin hashtag, and then sustainability, so it talks about how we are earth conscious, do we test on animals, is the packaging sustainable, what ingredients do you use. So again, this is just kind of answering the quite popular questions that customers ask skincare brands, just letting them know that it's already there, they don't need to contact us about it, they can easily find it. So yeah. Then VIP membership. So obviously the aim of Embrace Beauty is to really drive traffic to the mobile app. So this is kind of showing how the benefits of being a VIP member and how it is all on the mobile app. So it then drives consumers to really purchase products on the mobile app, which is a goal for the brand. So then a pop-up shop. So obviously in VC2A, I researched how consumers really value in-store beauty product purchases still. So I wanted to bring the element, I wanted to give them a chance to make in-store purchases from Embrace Beauty, but I didn't necessarily want to implement a store. So I brought up the idea of a pop-up shop. So there's going to be 4 pop-up shops opening, and this follows a critical path that I created in the promotional plan. So Manchester is the first pop-up shop that will be launched on the 10th of June, then London, then Sheffield, and then Liverpool. And these pop-up shops all run for 8 weeks, and there'll be more information on social media about these pop-up shops. And then contact us. So if a consumer needs to contact us and get in touch, they can simply fill out this form, and it's really easy for them. They can submit it, and it says here that we work 2 to 3 working days to get back. Then it tells you about the delivery. So obviously consumers get VIP delivery, VIP members are entitled to free standard delivery, so really promoting that. And then return. So again, it's a really simple method. If a consumer needs to return a product, they simply fill out this form and then they get a QR code sent to their email. So let's just talk about the account quickly. So this is the Embrace Beauty account. So here you're going to change your details. If you need to change your address or anything, you can do that here. You can track your orders or look at your order history. You can track your returns, and you can manage your VIP membership here. So if you did want to cancel, this is where you can come. So let's say that we want to purchase a product. So let's say we want to purchase a brightening serum. So we simply click on here, we click add to bag, and it'll take you to your bag. So you can see that we've got 1 item in our bagging area. Now because most people, so on the mobile app you have to have an account, whereas the website you don't necessarily have to have an account, but we are this example is showing someone that already has an account. So their customer address will already be logged and saved, so they don't have to write their address again. And then delivery options, so as they are a member, they are entitled to free VIP standard delivery, so they would obviously click this one unless they did want to have next day or nominated day. And then again, the billing address is already saved. And quickly before they make the purchase, we have recommended products that go with the serum. So the essential moisturizer, so they can click add to the bag, or they can just go ahead and purchase the serum on its own. And then the payments that we offer to consumers, so PayPal, MasterCard, Visa, American Express and Klarna. Obviously they type in their details and then simply click place order, and then they would be done. So they would purchase and they would get sent to their email address their order number, and obviously then if they need anything they can obviously contact us. So yeah, the website is really well navigated and it's easily accessible for consumers. So that's it for the website, and I really hope you enjoyed this video showing you around it, and thank you for listening.